Rule number 63. On a sales call, the first person who becomes emotionally involved leaves with the product. I like to use the analogy that using our system is very similar to the interaction between a psychologist and his or her patient. The psychologist is very skilled at asking questions and listening, and they have thousands of hours of practice and training. In order for the psychologist to heal the patient, they have to get to the emotional reasons or pain that their patient brings them. Just think about how ineffective a psychologist would be if they became emotionally involved in the engagement. You know they call this malpractice? We've all seen salespeople become emotionally involved with a sales call. They can't see their way through the emotional haze they bring and often leave with the same product they arrived with. If the prospect is qualified to buy the salesperson's product or service, it's the salesperson's professional duty to stay in the moment. Remember, on every sales call, someone's doing the buying and someone's doing the selling. Don't buy back your offering from your prospect because you let your emotions take control. Let your adult ego state navigate the sale and enjoy the ride to greater sales and profits.